Hello folks, today we are back into this fire burnt house as we've been talking about on several other videos. You can see my whole ceiling, how bad that is, can't you? But anyway, so what we're doing here is the insurance company trying to tell these folks that the roof's not leaking, the roof doesn't need, the shingles in the roof don't need replaced. Well, here you go. I mean, you can kind of see up inside of there what we have dealing with up in this. So yeah, we had a problem, but I wanted to share it with you because we getting rain. We're still getting rain coming in here, and it's leaking. Look at the rain and the water. You can see it's soaking wet. Look at this. You can see the water right there, right? Right there. You can see the water standing. But anyway, what we're going to use for proof is look at my board here. You can see literally my boards are warping. See that? They're warping, and you can see where moisture's coming out of them. Oh, did you see that drip? It just fucking dripped. Whoops, excuse the language. It just dripped. And it come right on through here. Look at this. You can see where it's leaking in here. You can see the rain, the water. It's all over. So yeah, this is got the shingle whole roofing. Now this temperature got up well over 500-600 degrees, maybe even more. Become like a super oven inside of here. And wow, just totally destroyed it. But anyway, folks, this is what you need to be looking for when you get a firehouse. Your shingles could get damaged. Your basement foundation could be damaged. When you get this kind of intensive heat, this is exactly what you get. So anyway, folks, thanks for watching our videos, and God bless.